Hey! Hello. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh my God. You can hear me now. Oh, so like basically you couldn't hear me the whole time and nobody fucking said anything? Like what the hell is this? Huh? Huh? What the hell is this? And I was trying to fucking vibe. Good morning. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, User. Good morning, C Black. Good morning, Flakuis. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, peoples. We honestly thought you were just having one of your JJ moments. I mean, honestly, it's understandable. Dano. Ha! Smack that all on the floors. Smack that. Give me some more. Smack that. Smack that. Oh, smack that all on the floors. Smack that. Give me some more. Smack that. Sure. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, wait, banger. Hold on. That's enough. That's enough of that, right? That's enough of that, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemans. How we doing? What's up, Kels? What's up, Kels? Right? Ace. Ace is busy today. He has people over at his house to do some work. So he's not here, right? And if you look at this market, right, we have choppy sideways. We do have a lot of news this week. It's actually good. Hopefully, PA starts looking good. We do have Jackson Hole Symposium this week. If you don't know what that is, it's a once a year thing with the Federal Reserve where they talk about financials and stuff. So once a year, Federal Reserve news this week. Now, what's that gonna do? I have no fucking idea. Hopefully, it makes PA go pretty good, right? I'd hope so, right? I'd hope so, right? Yeah, user, you're stuck with me. Time to take your shirt off. Food poisoning? That's what's up? Damn. How'd you get food poisoning, Kels? Oops. Where did Ace go? Ace is busy today. He couldn't pop up. No cap dizzle. Oh shit. We checked. Can confirm. Fuck. Hold on, chat. Bruh. Chat, I'm dealing with such a dumb issue right now. How was your weekend? It was good. How was everyone else's weekend? Flex. No, Flex. Today you're gonna print. I believe in you. I believe in you. I was gonna trade Tradeify and Lucids today, but I guess I'm only on Lucid. Because apparently, right, I got banned on Tradeify. Isn't that fun? How did I get banned? Well, I was trying to log in, and I thought my Tradeify account was under my Google account. So when I clicked login, it made a second account, like with a second email, which obviously goes against rules for like all props. So I emailed them. I'm like, I accidentally made this. Can you delete it? And they're like, yeah, no problem. And that was like a few weeks ago. And then now I try to log in. It's like suspicious activity. You can't log in. And I emailed them, and they're like, yeah, you made a second account, so you got banned. The fuck, right? How does that make any sense? I'm the one who told you. So stupid, right? I don't know. I'm emailing them, see what they say. I'm talking to Pranav. Fucking Pranav, man. Fix it, please, right? Fix my trade to buy account, right? JJ, today, am I going to print? I hope so. I hope so. We'll see. Dude, I'm P-Hub. You can't ban me, like, for real. They don't even know. What a bunch of stupids. What a bunch of stupid idiots, right? No, it's probably just a mistake. Makes no sense. I'm P-Hub. I ban you. Okay. I think we go down if we hold below 240-ish. Honestly, if we hold above this weekly POC previous day low, I think we'll probably see like weekly anchored up at like 270-ish. Yeah. For shorts, I just want to see like below 200, 195. But we'll see. Open in 5 seconds. What's our ATR right now? 15? All right, pretty normal. Let's see. Let's see the scandal. Ooh. Ooh. Opening volatility. Ooh. Rebozo. Wild. Well, I'm going to wait, obviously, for this opening volatility. Wow, that candle is aggressive. Holy, how many points is that from open? 95? 95. Yo, we got anybody in here who plays open print volatility plays? Did anybody just print or get absolutely cooked? OMG beautiful. Yes, short set open. Bro, those open print volatility plays are pretty nasty. This is London lows right here too. And boom, swept. Super 100 points down, not that I took it. I mean, yeah, that candle's crazy. I'm so curious to see what PA is going to be like this week. After the last 2 weeks of NQ, we're like super mid. I'm very curious. Very, very curious, right? We'll see though. User, if you have to ask that, then like that's amazing. Because I know you're trolling. I was gonna say obviously you have no idea what you're looking at. But I know you're like Mr. Ultimate Troll over here, thinking you're a girl or something. So good morning, I'm late. Shrek, you're late. What the fuck is that, right? Yeah, user, you're right. I don't get it. I can't understand it. I can't understand that fucking thing, the shadows. Are we gonna hold this gelato? Flex, did you go long and pop accounts? Flex, did you take a trade already? I'm actually curious. Have you seen that Grok AI bot? It's kind of cool. You can run engines in tandem. I've used Grok in the past, but was there like a new update or some shit? I didn't see that. The curly, yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's popping? It's like 200 a month. Oh, so it's their like super version. Besides user, holy, just open print, dumpy. Here's the 29-100. I do have a CE at 70. Also top of my range, a 4-hour range at 70. So 70 to 100, I want to see what we do there. Because in terms of levels, I don't really have much here. But There are some ranges. What the fuck is that? Oh, I've seen that. I've seen that. That's like it's like open claw, basically. Is that native running in Grok though? It's pretty dope. Good morning, Sniper. Sniper. Actually, I'm curious, who's taking a trade already? Other than RK. Taking that open print. Shadow. I don't know how to in my Lamborghini. We did get the close in the 2 minute right below the 100. Could get continuation. Potential. Potential. Did y'all ever send the free codes? I thought we did. Let me message Ace. Because Tanner had half of them and then we had half of them. Don't worry, guys. You'll get them, right? Make sure to check your emails, right? I didn't get the codes. Same. Okay, bet. Well, I just messaged Ace. So we'll see. You guys will definitely get them though. I just thought they were sent on Friday, to be honest. Boycott the giveaways and give them to me. Thank you. You know what, user? If everyone in chat wants to give all their accounts to you, that's up to them. I don't mind it. I lied. I do mind it. I'd deny it. Here is a retest of that 130. I'm gonna wait. Honestly, if PA stays like this, I'm not really gonna get much, but we'll see. Sketched, we swept pre-market lows and last week low. So people can't volunteer to regift their codes to me? No, people can volunteer to regift anything they want, just not to you. I've banned it, and that's only for you. That's a user rule. Anyone else though, it's completely fine. Right, chat? I think we all agree. That's fair. That makes sense. W, John Wick's son. Yo, John Wick's your dad? Holy, that's kind of aura. How often do you cut your hair? You always got a fresh fade? Oh shit, well thanks, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Honestly, not that often. I'd say like 2 weeks. But I had a birthday this weekend, so I got a cut right before. Alright, look curly. I respect it. I like how user just went completely silent after all that. Right now I am literally just waiting to see what we do above these London lows, right? I'm not just gonna take some random shit, right? Yeah, I don't have anything. Guess wait for orb. Yeah, we could just wait for orb, realistically. I mean, I don't mind playing a continuation, but I want to see this I want to see these candles actually looking nice. It depends. Like this candle, I actually like how that looks. If this 2 minute gets a close below here, like new low a day, I think we could fully play continuations. You kind of need a deep SL though, to be honest. Oh, because it's per tab, right? That's okay. I'll just do this. Look at me, and I smack that all on the floors. Smack that. Give me some more. Oof. Now, is it gonna go without me? Or am I gonna get the close? U.S. Treasury set to buy government bonds on Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern, 30 minutes before New York market open. I think this is why we dumped. Well, depending on this close, I'll enter shorts. Continuation. It'll be like this. It'll be like this. I'd want my SL to be here, which is like kind of deep, but not really with this movement. See you in my shadows. Be. Basically for the 29K. Once closed, 28 seconds. It's so funny how like regime changes for NQ. Like, do you guys remember when NQ was so directional and like would never retest? It would just break and go. Like those times, if we were in those times right now, I would have just entered a short on this break. But these past like couple weeks, few weeks, NQ's been so wicky and like fake outs that now I gotta wait for close. All right, we got the close. I'm entering shorts here. SL at 146. I'm in light position because SL needs to be deep. First TP would be like 40 as an early TP, and then 29,020, and then just the 29K. Be pretty legit. Pretty legit, right? See if we get those continuations. Oi. Pop in the Lamborghini Gallardo. What if I want that? 4 dope skis. Alright, I'm on multiple accounts right now, so hopefully I don't use your error like Ace, right? I miss Biden markets when we just buy and go to sleep for real. But I remember when Biden first got into office and I was trading options. I would literally just wake up, enter some fucking calls, and literally go back to sleep, and then wake up an hour later and I'd just be printing and I'd just sell. Wanna hop up on my Lamborghini Gallardo. I actually really like that retest flip. I wouldn't want to see us holding back above 100. That's the only thing. And then a close below like 75, 74 would enter one of my ranges, which would be really nice. But until then, we wait, right? Wait, do we have news today? Oh, 2 p.m. So we're chilling. We all chilling. I'm waiting till 10 probably. I understand. I think we can slide to 29K. I agree. I think it's possible for sure. 29K would be like a main PT. If you want to take like early, 29,040, and then below that 29,020. Get an extension break of 29,050 would be pretty sexy, pretty nice, right? Wanna hop up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Production. All right, printing. That's 40 points from entry. Not bad. Not bad, right? $40 right there. This would be early trims here. For anybody that, if you're in like a little too heavy, which you shouldn't be, not a bad trim zone. I'm gonna hold this shit though. No cap. No cap dizzle. Getting to that 29,020. Full gap is 911. Oh, you scared me there. That is 60 points from entry. Oh, W's. Oh my god, W's per judges in the chat, right? We only had 10 points of drawdown per 60 points, right? Oh my god. Testimonials for anyone who took at that earlier TPs, right? Super easy, super simple, right? Wait, this lucid is 50%, which is, oh yeah, that's chilling. Chillin'. Mm. Wait, let me check Tradeify email before they fucking close my ticket. Like, bro. They didn't even reply. What the fuck is this? Come on. Pranav from Tradeify. Open my ticket, man. There's that 29K20. That's the first TP potential to be able to flip here. I have a bottom of my range at 2907. Ooh, that's a nice dumpy. I'm actually gonna start trailing tight for a trim. Trailing nice and tight for a nice little trim ski. Why is this chart all over here? Hello? Where the fuck are we? Oh, that's why. Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, okay. Holy dumpy. All right, well, I'm dragging SL for a trim ski, which is nice. Oh, oh my god, I'm goated, right? I am fucking goated, right? Nice little trim soon. Oh yeah, I'm just trailing. Yo, who's cooking with me right now? Like, who's absolutely, positively, right? Fucking cooking on this, right? Okay, let me not get confused on what I'm trading. All right, one of my trims got hit. Dope. Dope skis, dope skis. I'm still in though. Wait, did I fully get taken out of this one? Hmm. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, that's fine. Whatever. Cooking. All right. Up 700 something on those lucids. I'm still holding on my other accounts though. This makes sense? Yeah, it does. Let's see some testimonials in chat. You know what I mean? Because I fucking cooked. So, you know what I mean? Well, this is where I got that other sell. So I don't mind doing that real quick. For the rest of my cons post trim, I have them pretty high. We are bouncing off 964, which is bottom of one of my ranges. But yeah, we're printing, right? Very easy, very simple, very kind. JJ just printed because you know I'm like wowzers, bowsers in my trousers. It's obers. Seller sitting at 29K. Well, I have my SL in profits for literally like 1 micro per account at 29.32. But wow, we printed. Let me see some testimonials in the chats. He's gonna tap me out. That's okay. I printed monies, right? Printed monies, right? You gonna tap me for the rest? It's getting close. There's the retest. Are we gonna get a suck down skis? Or is this the giga bounce? Ooh. Ooh, suck. Ooh, sucky. Ooh, sucky. 6 seconds till this close. Just suck below 29K. Block it. Flip red? Flip red potentials? All right, well, from entry, that was 130 points. So, who's done for the day? Who's done for the day? Some W's in the chat? W's in the chat? You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple, right? Type shit. Mr. John Wicks. super easy. You think I'm about to get tapped out for the rest in profit? Potentially. Ooh, so close. Super duper close skis. Oh, the suck. Is it a goated SL? Is it one of those? Ooh. Ooh. Come on, suck down, right? Suck down and flip. Do it. Ooh. 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 My SL might be goated. We need to break this 29K though. I don't want to bounce back up. Shadows. Lamborghini Gallardo. Glaros. Okay. Re-break that 29K. That would be hot. First day here, nicely executed, sir. Here for additional confluence with my own strategy. Cheers. Yo, W Mr. John Wick. Yeah, a lot of people just use me and Ace as extra confluence, right? And then you have some people who are like, fuck it, I'm in. Not financial advice. If this 2 minute gets a close, actually, never mind. I mean, maybe. It depends. Depends how I'm feeling, right? Because I'm already in. I do like when we agree. Yeah, it's so much nicer. Like days where me and Ace, which is like 95% of the days, when we're on the same page and we have like the exact same levels, and like he'll say something and I'll be like, yeah, I was just about to say that. Those days are always sprinter. Always sprinter. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. I do have a 4-hour CE that is literally lined up with 29K. So honestly, until new lows are made, I have no reason to move my SL for these last few cons. Damn, I really am spamming Akon, eh? It's always just the first song that I play. Still in short. Yeah, I told you I took a trim. My trim was taken at 28,980 was my trim for most of my cons, and my SL's at 29,33. So I'm still in this original short, which entry for the original short was 29,075, which was over 100 points already. Wowzers, Bowser. That's 121 points at the bottom from my entry. Yeah, that's how you scalp, eh? Damn, a 0.16 RR? Yo, it's kind of banger. Like, holy. This guy's confident. We need ES to lose. Yeah, ES looks a little more bullish than NQ, but I don't know. We'll see if it has enough juice to like hold us up. Up 130 on a 25K. Banger, banger, banger. Up on my Lamborghinis. Yo, just know if we get a close below this wick, I think we're gonna nuke even more. I might add in, to be honest. Like I might just, depending. Like if this candle fucking dumps 100 points and then sucks back up and closes, I'm probably not gonna add in. You know what I mean? But if we get a clean, quick close below that, I don't mind a quick add in and then dragging SL a little steeper. Lamborghini. Ooh, we're printing. Ooh, who's still printing on this short with me? Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Printing, printing. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Are we gonna get the close though? Because otherwise, I think we're gonna get a bouncies. Good average down type shit. Hey, good shit, Flex. See, I told you today was the day you're gonna print. Now I don't like that suck up after that sweep, but honestly, as long as we hold below 29K, I think we'll be semi okay, right? But I'm still green, right? So that's okay. Technically, my SL should. I actually don't mind putting it a little tighter. 29,010. If I get tapped out, I get tapped out. I'd rather secure profits and get a re-entry. Yeah, the ace indicator didn't work today. Yo, I was on the way to the office today, and in my head, I was like, bro, fuck the ace indicator. Today, I want to print. Where's that P&Ls? Here, I'll show you right now, right? So I got these accounts, right? I just got tapped for the rest of my accounts, by the way. Right? I got those accounts, right? And then I got here. Right? And I'd be on my Tradeify too if they didn't fucking ban me, right? Like, what the fuck is that? I'm an affiliate and I got banned? What? Pranav, answer my fucking email. In progress. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'm fully out of everything. And now we look for the next play. The next place, right? Mm-hmm. Guys, make sure throw that shit in testimonials. All the profits and at me, be like, oh my god, Chase, wow, so Bowser, so Bowser. Just gonna throw mine in there too, pocket. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. A lot again if we tap 20. I understand. I just don't want to see us get a close above like 30-ish something. Oh, by the way, okay, it's just messaged me. I forgot about that. For everyone that won on Friday, um, for all the TOF accounts, we're trying to get it so that it's codes. So it's way easier for you guys to just like be given the code for the giveaway instead of having to like send us all the info and us add it to your account. So either by today, tomorrow, or max Wednesday, we'll get the codes from TOF, and then everyone will get it sent out. But everyone that won will for sure get their accounts. So don't worry. Flex, I don't see your testimonial on testimonials, right? Who else? Flex, I don't see that shit. Mr. John Wicks, right? Where the fuck is it, right? All the people that said W, right? User, right? I don't see it. Interesting. No, I don't want the codes. I want to hop on FaceTime with JJ now. Yo, that's actually extra money, right? You have to give me an account for that to happen. You know what I mean? Over. Smack that. Just give me your debit card and let me buy the accounts for them myself. Oh, yo, you know what? I never thought about that actually. It's actually really smart. It's actually very smart. I respect you. Mm-hmm. Look at me, right? I actually want to send the screenshot real quick. Smack that all on the what? 28. Uh, mm-mm. Oh, oh. I'll give you 1,000,000 Cyberleak coins. Do it. You won't do it. No balls. No balls. You won't do it. Holy, you guys are wild. Why would I cash app you 5K? Hmm. Oh, I really like my take. My main take at 28,980. Not bad, right? See. Shadows. Chad, I need a new song stuck in my head. Help. Oh my god, it's an eye patch. Bro, my back camera doesn't work. Damn. I'm 100% grabbing the new iPhone, by the way. I need a new phone. This shit is so destroyed. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. It's all cracked up and shit. Because I don't rock a case. Good trade, JJ. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god, wow. Thank you. Did you print? Because if you didn't print, then it wasn't good. You know? I print for you, right? Not for me. Bro, JJ, you should have a good phone. I know. But I was going to wait. Like, I purposely skipped. Because I was like, okay, there's no point to get this one. I'm just going to wait. So I'm just going to get the 18 Pro Max when that comes out, which is in like a month-ish. Because, you know, September reveal type shit. Man, China's starting to have crazy cars and now crazy phones. Yeah, their cars are crazy. You know the what is it called? What's like their like supercar that jumps? It's like the Wang something. I don't know, but it looks dope. Also, their like luxury cars are crazy. They basically have like rolls for like 80K. What? Bro, I'm actually disappointed in you, chat. I'm looking at these testimonials. You know who's the goat? Mousebag's the goat. And sadly, I have to say, user's the goat too, because he actually put it in there. Well, you see what you did, chat? You made me call user a goat. You should be disappointed in yourselves. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. On Tradeify, can I please get my account fixed so I can also trade on Tradeify, please? Tradeivate wasn't letting me log in. I'm sorry I didn't take it. It's okay, I forgive you. I forgive you. Wow. Also, right now nothing's really going on. So like I'm just waiting, you know what I mean? We're kind of holding 29K, but we're not really showing momentum to the upside. So I'm just trying to wait and see what goes on. I'm so curious now. My testimonial is fucked up, but why? A sniper. I like how I just call you sniper. Your user is milk? Bruh. Should I call you milk or sniper? So I went for a walk. You sound like Vinny. That's so funny. Going for a walk is completely legit. But for you guys that don't know, me, Vinny, and Ace used to play a lot of Scribble. You know Scribble, where like you draw shit and then they have to guess. And he got so pissed one time. He was like raging, screaming, and he had to leave the call. And then he came back like 15 minutes later and he's like, I'm good now. I had to go for a walk. And Rams, and Rams. Rams was there too, right? Production was there too, right? Sniper gang, bet. See you in my shadows. Hapat on that Lamborghinis. Galardos. Hmm. Now, do I have a re-entry? Do I have a re-entry or something like that, right? Something like that, right? No, this is like extended. Mm. Hmm. Let's do some math for my sizing. How much do I really like this? Okay, chat, I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired of having Akon stuck in my head. Tired of it. I might actually play short continuations, I can't lie. I cannot lie, right? 3, so 6. Gotta wait and see. Like that. Okay, you guys are not helping. JJ some more. Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. Hey, what? Hey, what? Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. Actually, I'm gonna make I'm gonna record real quick. I gotta get this. I gotta get this. Chat, I need you guys to spam W. Okay? Alright? Everybody start spamming W right now. And it's just that easy. Boom, 3 accounts, up 300 on those. And on these accounts, this Lucid, up 600. In the chat, chat going crazy, spamming W's. We all printed. You know, it's just that simple. Alright, thanks, chat. Wow, look at chat getting active. You guys are so sexy. Bro, honestly, every single prop is so lucky that they don't give us more giveaway accounts because I would spam them so hard. Like majority of people who get giveaway accounts that like stream and shit, they keep majority of them so that they don't have to pay for accounts to trade on, and then they just give away like the rest. We literally give away every single giveaway account, and I wish we had more. Because right now, in my soul, I'm just like I want to give every single person who put a W an account, just so the people that didn't get sad. It's like the Rizzler. Hey, you guys know that clip? Where the Rizzler's like, chat, speed it up. And he's like, okay, chill. Bro, Rizzler has aura. He really does. Oh, I got a Tradeify. I got a Tradeify email. Let's see what they say. Oh, never mind. I lied. Sorry, JJ. I would, but I missed your early short. You know, you could still say W, right? You know, Ace hits a green trade, and sometimes I'll say I'm not entering, and he'll hit PDPT. And I'll say, good job, Ace. That was very nice, right? The Chiseler. Yo, that name that name mix does not work at all. That's terrible. Holy. Oh man, that's so bad. Well, it's funny how we took those shorts and now we're kind of just going sideways. Not available. You almost just made me spit my monster everywhere. Holy. That was wild. What the wild child. Now PA's kind of shizzler. I'm probably out for now. I hate sideways. Yeah, unless we get some nice momentum to the downside, I don't really see much. I don't really see much. But for all the people that did take the 120 plus point banger short, congratulations. you could very easily potentially be done for today, right? Stop teasing me. Yo, fish hats, are you making another edit? By the way, Chad, I want to remind you, every single week we look at all the edits that are made of Prophub, and the best edit gets a free account. So far, Fish Hats is the only one participating, so he basically gets a free account every single week, regardless of if the edit is good or bad. So if anybody else edits or makes edits, you know what I mean? Because right now, Fish Hats just has free accounts forever, every single week, just because he's the only one doing it, right? Edits for what? Okay, so obviously some people don't know what's going on, right? Where do I post? It's simple. You just make an edit, any edit. Let me actually share Fish Hats' edit. I'll show you. I'll show you both. You don't even have to post it anywhere. You just gotta like send it, like post it on anything. Post it. You could post it on any social, or you can just post it in the Discord, or you can post it on YouTube or on TikTok, or like do whatever the fuck you want, right? Look, this is what Fish Hats made last week. Let me make sure to stream this properly so you can hear it. Okay, this is what Fish Hats made last week, and he got an account for this, or he's going to this week. Don't worry, I remember. Look at this. Boom, free account. Just like that. It's just that simple, right? Here, hold on. Where's the other one? The other one was hilarious too. And this is where the GIF came from. Here, look at this. Oh wait, you guys don't see it. What the fuck? Here, look at this. Look at this one. Look at this one he made. Yeah, it's just that easy. Oh, Shizzler, hold on. I'll get the chart back. But yeah, basically just make edits, post them on like TikTok, YouTube, whatever, or literally just throw them in the Discord and we can post them. And the best edit will get an account. Oh, that's so funny. You know, honestly, you guys could also post them in clip submissions. Like we usually use that for like if you guys just want to send like funny trading memes or whatever. But if you guys make edits, just post them in clip submissions and then just add us and be like, it's my edit for the giveaway. And that's it. Stop teasing me. I could change your life, so what? Got clips in the club. Clips? Sticks. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Alright, I'm putting a poll in chat. I'm curious. Everybody answer this poll. Everybody answer the poll. Bang. Who's green? Who's red? Who's BE? Let's see. Let's see. All 48 people. What time is it? 10:12? Alright, it's still morning. And I haven't hit this in a while. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning, Kirk. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Captain. Good morning, John Wick. Good morning, Sniper. Good morning, Mr. John Wick. Good morning, Turtle. Good morning, C Black. Good morning, Shrek. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, you got. Good morning, Optic. Good morning, Fish Shots. Good morning, Selfie. Good morning, Not Available. Good morning, Luffy. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Trader Joe's. Good morning, Hoopy. Good morning, Kels. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Flaqueeze. Good morning, Tapwater. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, LaCurly. Good morning, Alvin. Good morning, Jim. Good morning, PG. Good morning, Neil. Good morning, Double Tap. Good morning, UDE. Good morning, Lois. Good morning, User. Good morning, One Way. Good morning, RK. Good morning, One. Good morning, Yonis. Good morning, Jimmy Rigger. Good morning, Warren. Good morning, Mdos. Good morning, Forrest. Good morning, Fast Squash. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Egg. Good morning, Eric. Wow. That was pretty nice. All right, majority of people are either green or didn't take a trade. which is okay. Hmm. Very nice. Yeah, PA has kind of gotten mid. And I don't mind being done today. For real, for real. It's kind of annoying that my Tradeify, that I can't log into my Tradeify accounts. Literally just I got a fucking Lightning Funded just sitting there. Lightning Funded sitting there. Could have been printing. It's just that simple. Oh, chat. Tomorrow we do have a special stream. We got a I'll just tell you, we got a guest coming onto stream, and he's an absolute printer, like a super printer. So I would 100% say everybody should be on stream tomorrow. Because if he starts dropping some sauce, you definitely want to hear it. Printer. Is it ICT? No. You mean that guy that actually doesn't know how to trade? Is it Tory Trades? No. That'd be hilarious though. You guys aren't gonna be able to guess. Honestly, most of you probably don't even know who it is. You know why? Because most of the traders that you know aren't traders that are actually good at making a lot of money in trading. You know all the marketers, people that are good at blowing up on socials and being like, "Oh, I'm a trader." Like this guy makes a lot more money than Tory trades. Like Tory trades will enter a position with 50 bands and hold it for like a month and a half to sell. This guy can make that entry position within a week easily, like very consistently. So like, we bring actual traders here. It's my goat, JJ's vigilante persona, the Jizzler. Baby Trader isn't a marketer. She's the best trader. Yeah, yo, Baby Trader actually she is the market maker. For you guys who didn't know that. Like I'm pretty sure her last name actually is Nasdaq. Her dad made the Nasdaq. Pretty dope. Yo, production, no cap. No fucking cap, right? Yeah, chat for me, honestly, probably no entries in between 29,040 and 28,947. Like this little range, basically. Like I'm probably not gonna take shit in that until we actually get something decisive. Whereas Ace? Ace is busy today, which is sad. He missed 130 points unless he's trading on his phone. But he's feeling better, which is good. And he's definitely gonna be here tomorrow. Stop teasing me. I can production so easily. I made a sick Ace BD pick. What is that? What the fuck is that? Teasing me, teasing me. I would like to get in a trade easily. Does anyone use Kalshi? What's Kalshi? What is Kalshi? Oh, birthday pick? Send it. Or are you waiting for him to be here tomorrow and then you're gonna send it? Sorry, JJ, couldn't add my W as working whilst trading. Hey, that's okay. You printed. You printed the short before me. You entered the short at open. Where was your SL, by the way, on that? Like, what was your sizing? Because entering on an open candle is like kind of cooked. Like, I do it sometimes, but it needs to be such an A plus setup. And I'll usually do it as a limit order too. And like have a preset SL and shit. Like open candles are so volatile both directions that I just wait. Point and figure. What the hell is that? Ew. Ew. What is this? Ew. What the fuck is that? Is this tic tac toe? What is this? Oh my god, ew. I'm gonna throw up. I can't even see what's going on here. Go back, please. On being real in Prophub land, I am a champ at blowing accounts off a morning dump like today, chasing reversions and continuations. Today, I acknowledged my faults, waited for an A plus setup, and sized accordingly. Thus, not my biggest day, but productive nonetheless. Progress. Good shit, Kels. Love to see that. Love to see that you printed. Very, very nice. Honestly, I don't really mind ending early stream today if we don't get anything. You know? You know what's funny? If I wasn't streaming, I would be done. You know, I would have hit that 130 points and been like, W Monday. Until next time. End stream and let's have a music session. Well, if I end stream, I actually have some work I gotta do for P-Hub back end shit for tomorrow. And then I gotta go to the gym. I've been done, but everyone here is so chill. Yeah, a bunch of people just hang out for the vibes. End stream and send me 10 250k accounts. That sounds like a pretty good idea. Sounds pretty chill, right? Not bad. Nice vibes in here, not gonna lie. For real, for real. Yo, thanks also to everybody that engages on socials. Because obviously, we love all you guys, but we would also love to grow. Because the more we grow, the more fun stream would be, the more giveaways we can do, the more giveaway accounts, the higher numbers we can hit on the charity, which is pretty dope. Oh shit. Oh, that's dope. That's a dope photo. Yeah, so anybody that actually like comments on the Instagram, on the Prophub page and the Ace page, shares it, sends it, likes it, all that stuff. You guys are the real ones. We're actually gonna get a breakout ski. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. So the ace indicator worked? I mean, eventually. We sniped it before the indicator actually triggered. Caught a quick 130 points. And then the market was like, oh, wait a minute. Ace isn't in office. Time to go sideways. Dude, it stopped me out and now it's pumping. Flex, how many points was your SL? I'm actually curious. Was it less than 35 points? No? 65? Okay, where was it on the chart? What time did you enter? Just give me your trade. You know, what time did you enter? Where was your entry and where was your SL? I want to see this. Let's see if we can do a flex trade breakdown right now. 959 SL. Oh, okay. What time did you enter? Because that matters. I'm assuming you entered after like this retest around here. No? Like 10? 10:02? 9:54? Also, yeah. Let me draw this out. Let me draw this out, right? Entry 959 SL. Here. Okay. We go on the one. So what? It was like right there, like that. Okay. Why was your SL here? Like so close to a swing low like that? Why would your SL not just be here? You know what I mean? Because if it was like that's too much loss, then like you know what I mean? Just get rid of one extra con. You could have SL'd here, you know? Like what made you put your SL here? Were you just like looking at these bodies? Candle body, yeah. I mean, I don't mind candle bodies. I do it sometimes too. But like it depends. Like honestly, the only times I really do candle bodies is when I'm already in profit or already took a trim. You know what I mean? You were a little green too. Like 30-ish points. And then we had this big dump. You got tapped out. Green like 30 points again. I understand it. I mean, I said from before in the beginning that from here to here. What the fuck? Where's my magnet? Hello? Hello? From here to here, I didn't want to see anything. I mean, even if you looked at it from before, like we never got a close. We're just like in this range. Up, down, up, down. I was like, if it comes to the body, it will hit wick low. I mean, I understand that, but I like actual wicks. You know? Like I use body more for confirmation of like closes and structure and stuff like that. But when it comes to SLs, um, like I'll give up 9 extra points on an SL just to like actually have a swing low. You know what I mean? Because like if you were to look at this, like this is where the low is, right? Like if you were to just look at it as structure. But I get it. I understand. Wait, is Ace Baby Trader in disguise? Oh my god, maybe. Hey, W Shrek. Throw that shit in testimonials. Stop teasing me. Hey, what? Stop teasing me. Ace might be Baby Trader's long lost brother. Ace doesn't know that, and she helps him. It's very. It's possible. It's possible. Well, shit, chat. This PA sucks. I think I might call it and just like be done for today. But of course, as you all know, code PHUB to get the best discounts possible on all the best accounts. Also, we're still running the charity, the ALS Prophub charity. So if you guys want to, you know what I mean, help out, obviously 100% of all the charity money goes to the charity. And then when we end the charity, we add a percent of Prophub money on top of it. Also, we're going to be running some charity streams. We already technically ran one on Friday, but we were bozos and forgot to say it in the beginning. But all of the affiliation money that was made on Friday, like any code that was used, code PHUB, all that money goes to the charity, which is dope. We're trying to set up a few more actual sponsored charity streams because those are fun. Yeah, use code PHUB. Make sure you engage on socials, on the YouTube, on the Instagram, and even on the TikTok. And I think that's it. I always use the P Hub even when I've a vault code. For sure. No cap. That's what you gotta do. It's the same code, innit? You know what I mean? Don't give it to Lucid. Give it to the charity. Ha ha ha. And yeah, I think that's it. W for everyone that's green. Anybody that's still trading, honestly, I wouldn't take shit within this little shitty range. At least wait for a close, for some confirmation. Um, even for shorts, like I wouldn't take anything until we get below here. Weekly value area low. I don't mind reversal longs, but again, I'd want it above here, most likely above 40. And yeah, that's basically it. Does anybody else in chat want to say something real quick? Anybody have any final words, right? Or you want to make a joke, skis? And anybody that won the giveaways on Friday, we're waiting to get the codes. And once we get them, you'll get the accounts. What is the deadline for the charity? It's not official yet. Like I actually want to wait until we like figure out what we're doing with all the charity streams. I haven't even checked what it's at because I'm like very confident that it's extremely low and like not near what Sick Kids was at. So I don't even want to look. But yeah, we'll just wait. First day here, loving the vibes. See you all tomorrow. Mr. John Wicks. I'm glad you're here, buddy. Oh my god, Vinny. Yeah, let's get some John Wick in the chat. Everyone, W's, John Wick. For hopping to the P-Hub stream. W Fastwatch. Vinny L. Oh, of course, right? Vinny L, right? W Mr. Wick. Good shit. Oh wow, we're actually getting pumpy. Hold on. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Hold on. Shit. Should I play the reversal chat? Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat. Hold on. Hold on. Shit. Hold on. Take your 130 points and leave. Ha. Looks pretty good though, right? Back. Actually looks pretty nice, right? Looks pretty nice, right? Looks pretty nice. We're pumping already, right? Now I'm gonna end stream. All right, chat. I'll see all of you guys tomorrow. We love you all. I already said everything I needed to say, and that's pretty much it. So, peace.